Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Hope everyone are at good health, and summer is at peak. So today, let's fasten our seat belt. And today topic is what are the important tips to maintain your car immaculate in summer and see that you are not stuck in the road in summer because of your major maintenance issues. First, in summer, make sure your cooling system is checked regularly. Your car cooling system is checked regularly, like topping of coolant or changing the coolant regularly. Then if there is any leakages of the coolant pipe, that has to be replaced because it will become hard, and because of heat, if the cooling system doesn't work, there is always chances of the engine get overheated and the head gasket can get damaged, and there will be a lot of costly maintenance to happen to affect the engine, and which will damage the engine. So cooling system and as well as the fans which are there are regularly running. When the heat at certain temperature, the fan should on automatically and cool the engine. So check the cooling system. Then the tires. The tires should be tire pressure to be checked regularly, and whatever the recommendation is there by the manufacturer, that has to be put the pressure. And as well, because of heat, there is always chances of the heat in the tire gets high, and there is chances of tire bursting. So regularly check the pressure in the tire, and as well use the monitoring system, which is a digital system which we have, that how much tire, what pressure is there in the tire. That you should take care and see that the tires are replaced. See there is no cuts in the tire and all. Check the tires and the pressure for your safety. Then filter, the air filter which is very, very must to be removed, cleaned or replaced. So because of in summer there is a lot of dust outside in the atmosphere, which will come and clog the air filter, so which again puts a load to the engine, where it affects your mileage and performance of the car. So maintain the air filter and clean it regularly. Then clean in the summer because of heat, the outer body and the inner, there is a lot of dust coming in, there are always cracks on the paint. So clean the car regularly and wax it regularly, so the car maintains spick and span in summer. Then battery, make sure, because of overheat, the battery always chances that the battery gets worn off. And as well, see that terminals are not salted, everything is cleaned and regular maintenance. If the battery is more than 3 years, please replace it with a new one. So in summer you are prepared for going long trips or etc. for your safety and your car maintenance. So maintain your car regularly, service them. So see that you don't spend more money on expensive maintenance. If you are maintaining this car regularly this way, your car will be good, beautiful, and give you service for long. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.